What's the meaning of conversation? Conversation. Conversation.
Conversation. Conversation. A conversation is an exchange between two or more people where they share ideas, thoughts, and feelings. It involves active listening, responding appropriately, and engaging in a dialogue that promotes understanding and connection. Conversations can be formal or informal, depending on the context, and may cover a wide range of topics, from casual chit-chat to deep philosophical discussions. They are essential for building relationships, sharing information, and learning from one another. Good conversations require respect, empathy, and a willingness to engage in open and honest communication.